Have you ever wondered what is causing that slight headache or wooziness that you feel at the end of your workday? Or why your eyes burn when you cross the street? Do you wonder if this is going to cause a long-term problem for you or your kids? Air pollution, both indoors and out, is a global problem. Today, you can join us to challenge it. This is ATMOTUBE, a wearable air quality tracker that measures real-time air pollution, temperature, and humidity. It's the most affordable and most compact air quality tracker on the market today. People don't realize how what's in the air might affect our health. Unless we have asthma or allergies, we don't notice any immediate impact on our bodies and never really care about the air around us. But during the day, the concentration of volatile organic compounds, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide indoors may increase dramatically if the ventilation is not good enough. With ATMOTUBE, it's easy to track the pollution around you and understand what you can do to breathe better. In the big cities, we are often exposed to air pollution outside too, but we are always too busy to pay attention to it. ATMOTUBE will immediately alert you about potential danger, so you can prevent negative health impacts. ATMOTUBE can sense environmental changes in real time to help to make the right choices every day and live healthier. We have been helping other companies to invent and develop hardware and software products for years. Then, we finally decided that it's time to solve our own problem. We've been working on ATMOTUBE for over a year to achieve the most accurate readings from the sensors, craft its beautiful and durable titanium body, and create the best user experience from the data that the ATMOTUBE detects. Now, we're ready to share it with you. Pre-order your ATMOTUBE now and be smarter about the air that you breathe.
This is Earth, our home planet. Down here, we've been working hard to create a model of Earth, unlike any other. A state-of-the-art model and interactive experience for us to explore. Like never before, we can hold the past, present, and future in our hands. We see our planet through new eyes, a new perspective. No longer simply a place that we live, we can see our home as a changeable, constantly evolving planet. Each Earth model is finely molded and then hand-painted to showcase accurate and beautiful details of our world's surface. But that is just the physical aspects of what we've created.
Along with the artistry, Earth utilizes state-of-the-art augmented reality technology to share all the information as you explore and learn. We created an app where you can learn all about our planet with augmented visualizations from a range of global topics. We also gave Earth artificial intelligence capabilities. You can use your voice to ask questions about our planet that will be answered and displayed in front of you.
You can see how animals have migrated over time. Weather systems from decades past. Mother Nature growing up and falling down. vegetation spreading across continents, meteors impacting our surface eons ago. There's so much to learn and explore right here in your hands. Our planet is always changing. We created Earth to track that change and open it up for you to explore.
Using augmented reality and artificial intelligence, we have taken that global exploration to new heights.
There's so much to discover about our evolving planet. With Earth, you can take that journey through space and time and go wherever it leads you.